Join us in this journey as we spill the beans on the best-kept secrets for enhancing your body's defense system using nothing but nature's bounty. From zesty citrus infusions to soothing herbal brews, we have all the recipes and know how you need to level up your immunity game. As we explore the world of natural drinks for enhancing immunity, we will dive deep into the science behind each drink and uncover how they work to fortify your body's defenses naturally. Watch now because a healthier you awaits. 1. Green tea. Many celebrate green tea for its potent immune-boosting properties. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, green tea helps fortify the body's defenses against harmful pathogens and free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory effects also reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, promoting overall well-being. Also, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that can enhance immune function by stimulating the production of white blood cells. These antibodies play a significant role in fighting off infections. Research suggests that green tea may also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy digestive system and bolstering immunity. With its natural polyphenols and catechins, this ancient elixir is a delicious way to fortify your body's natural defense mechanisms while promoting vitality from within. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple yet effective step in enhancing your body's ability to ward off illness and stay resilient year-round. To prepare a refreshing cup of green tea, boil water in a pot or kettle. Once the water reaches the desired temperature, around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, pour it over green tea leaves in a teapot or mug. Allow the leaves to steep for 2 to 3 minutes to extract the beneficial compounds and flavors. Avoid adding milk or sweeteners, as they can diminish the potency of green tea's natural antioxidants and polyphenols. 2. Elderberry syrup or tea. The elderberry herb is famous for its immune-boosting properties, making it an invaluable natural remedy in today's quest for improved health. Elderberries feature antioxidants and vitamins that help fortify the body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Whether it's a soothing cup of elderberry tea or a spoonful of elderberry syrup, these potent concoctions offer a delicious way to enhance the immune system while providing a comforting ritual for self-care. These purple berries are unique due to their ability to reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu. Recent research has shown that some compounds in elderberries inhibit viral replication, potentially shortening the duration of illness. The deep purple hue of elderberries signals their high anthocyanin content, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. If you seek an all-natural approach to boosting immunity, incorporating elderberry syrup or tea into your daily routine could be just what you need. To make elderberry syrup, simmer dried or fresh elderberries with water and cinnamon sticks for about 30 minutes. Then strain the mixture and add honey to sweeten. You can store this homemade syrup in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and take it daily to support your immune function. Alternatively, you can make elderberry tea by steeping dried elderberries in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes before straining and enjoying. Adding a touch of honey or lemon can enhance the flavor while providing additional immune-boosting benefits. 3. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk, aka turmeric latte, has gained popularity for its impressive health benefits. This ancient drink is a blend of warm milk, ground turmeric, and other spices like cinnamon and ginger. Its vibrant yellow color makes it visually appealing and signifies the presence of curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound in turmeric. Consuming turmeric golden milk can help boost immunity by supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms and reducing inflammation. Moreover, its soothing and comforting qualities make it an ideal drink to unwind before bedtime, promoting better sleep, which is crucial for a robust immune system. Adding black pepper to turmeric golden milk is essential as it enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. Besides, adding ingredients such as honey or coconut oil can further augment its nutritional value while adding a pleasant taste. Consuming this beverage as part of your daily routine provides your body with a nourishing drink that enhances your overall well-being and fortifies your immune system. So why not indulge in this ancient tonic? To make turmeric golden milk, heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or non-dairy, in a small saucepan over low heat. Add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon for added flavor. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure the ingredients mix. Once heated through, pour the golden milk into a mug and sweeten it with honey or maple syrup to taste. 4. Beet juice. Beet juice has a rich nutritional profile for a natural immunity booster. Since it has essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, beet juice can strengthen the body's defenses against illness. The high concentration of vitamin C in beet juice supports the production of white blood cells, antibodies that fight off infections. Its nitrates may also help improve blood flow and circulation, leading to better delivery of nutrients to immune cells throughout the body. Moreover, the unique combination of phytonutrients in beet juice reduces inflammation and supports overall immune system function. Betalins, specifically betanin and volgaxanthin, give beets their vibrant color and contribute to their potential anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating a daily dose of freshly squeezed beet juice into your routine could supercharge your immune system and contribute to overall wellness. 5. Coconut water. Coconut water, aka nature's sports drink, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost immunity. Thanks to its essential vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, coconut water is an excellent natural drink to incorporate into your daily routine. Its high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper hydration levels, while its rich antioxidant properties combat free radicals and support overall immune function. The presence of cytokinins in coconut water can provide anti-aging benefits by promoting cellular health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Another fascinating aspect of coconut water is that it is prebiotic, nourishing the gut microbiome and supporting digestive health. This process enhances immunity since a significant part of the immune system resides in the gut. Consuming coconut water weekly or monthly hydrates your body and promotes a balanced microbiome that can help ward off infections and illnesses. With its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits, adding coconut water to your wellness regime is an easy way to boost your immunity naturally. 6. Citrus berry smoothie. Delicious, refreshing, and bursting with immune-boosting nutrients, the citrus berry smoothie is a powerful addition to your natural drinks repertoire. The vitamin C from fresh oranges and antioxidant-rich berries such as blueberries and strawberries make this smoothie a flavorful way to fortify your body's defenses against illness. Citrus berry smoothie energizes and revitalizes the body while providing essential hydration, a winning combination for maintaining optimal immune function. The zesty tang of citrus and the sweet tartness of berries create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. But beyond its delightful taste, this drink holds immense potential to enhance your health. The fusion of vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydrating properties supports immunity and contributes to overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon refresher, the citrus berry smoothie stands out as an elixir that champions immune strength in a deliciously enticing way. To make refreshing citrus berry smoothie, gather your ingredients: oranges, berries such as strawberries or raspberries, yogurt, and honey. Blend the freshly squeezed orange juice, mixed berries, and a dollop of yogurt until smooth. For added sweetness and flavor, drizzle in some honey to taste. 7. Lemon ginger tea. Lemon ginger tea is a powerhouse of natural immunity-boosting properties. Lemon and ginger are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making them the perfect ingredients for strengthening the immune system. The citrusy flavor of lemon pairs harmoniously with ginger's warm, earthy essence to deliver a comforting beverage that can help alleviate symptoms of colds and flu. In addition, the natural antibacterial properties in both lemon and ginger make this tea an effective weapon against bacterial infections while promoting overall wellness. To prepare this drink, boil water in a saucepan. Then, add freshly sliced ginger and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to extract its beneficial compounds. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the pot and stir well. Allow the tea to steep for a few minutes before straining it into a cup. A combo of zesty lemon and spicy ginger creates a refreshing and invigorating beverage that tantalizes the taste buds and provides numerous health benefits. 8. Cafir. Cafir is a fermented milk drink gathering popularity for its impressive immune-boosting properties. As a probiotics drink, Cafir strengthens the gut microbiome and supports overall immunity. The diverse range of beneficial bacteria in kefir can help fend off harmful pathogens and maintain a healthy balance in the body. Unlike store-bought yogurt, kefir contains various probiotic strains, making it a potent ally for immune health. Even so, kefir is an excellent source of nutrients such as calcium, protein, and B vitamins, all of which support a robust immune system. It's also worth noting that individuals who are lactose intolerant can often tolerate kefir due to the fermentation process breaking down much of the lactose in milk. This process makes kefir an accessible option for many seeking to boost their immunity without relying on supplements or synthetic products. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on. You'll never get sick again if you eat these 15 immunity boosting foods. Thanks for watching and bye for now.